to go to office during this pandemic, should I fast? As some people say that one's immunity is decreased if one fasts, and there are chances that one gets COVID-19. This is again doesn't have any basis that if you fast, your immunity goes down. In fact, if you heard my talk on medical benefits of fasting, fasting actually boosts your immunity. So, in no way am I telling you that fasting, if you fast, you have less chances of having COVID-19. But to say that if you fast, you have more chances is also totally wrong. But it does boost your immunity. So, if it's the month of Ramadan and if there's a pandemic and you're afraid, please, unless if you are sick, if you have COVID-19 and if you have no symptoms, continue fasting. If you have symptoms which prevent you from fasting, it may be any disease, the COVID-19, you cannot breathe properly, or can be any other disease. So if you are ill, as Allah says in the Quran, Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 184, that those who are traveling or those who are ill can fast later on, can compensate. So if you are ill and if that illness prevents you from fasting or makes you difficult to fast, that time yes, you need not fast, but make it up later. But because you are afraid you will get COVID-19, this is totally not allowed. Fasting is a fard. If you are not sick, it is not preventing you from fasting. Continue, inshallah. Inshallah, you will get the reward, and inshallah your past sins will be forgiven. As the Prophet said, that if you fast with sincerity in the month of Ramadan, seeking the reward of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all your past sins will be forgiven. This is the most important. So my request to you is that you should fast.